It's time for a triple play. 3 stocks that we are watching here in the final 30 minutes of trading. We have Krispy Kreme, Ergo, and Blue Water Vaccines. My play today is the donut favorite Krispy Kreme, sliding after cutting guidance for the year. It sees revenue between $1.48 and $1.52 billion, organic revenue growth of 10 to 12% for the second quarter. The company swung back to a profit, but revenue, though, came up short, totaling $375.2 million. Now, CEO Mike Tatterfield was on Yahoo Finance earlier today when asked about inflation and the consumer. He said that demand remains strong and that the chain's omni-channel approach is helping to drive results. It's a tough day, though, for the stock. You can see shares off just about 11% today over the last 7 months. Looks like the stock is off just about 7%, Jared.
Yeah, I'm kind of looking at the charts here. Now, this is a stock that came to market about a year ago, over a year ago. So let's take a look at the Wi-Fi Interactive and just kind of chart the price action here. This is going to be what I call a very, very sideways looking chart. And you can see nothing but sideways right there and just kind of in the lower end to middle of that range. Now, we do have some props on set, Mr. Briggs there, if we can get a shot of you. Oh, look at this.
I have no comment.
You have no shame.
And you're
either.
a huge fan of Krispy Kreme donuts, so there might be a
Krispy
couple
Kreme
more
has
might be
to
going.
be inflation proof. They're cheap, they're delightful, you can eat about a dozen. And Jared, I'm like anyone I've ever known.
Okay.
Walks up to a box of Krispy Kreme, yeah, I'm talking with my mouth full, and he breaks it in half and he leaves the half in the box.
Oh.
You don't ever do that.
No, I didn't
with a
touch
Krispy
it.
Kreme.
I didn't
That
touch
is
it
not
with my
okay.
hand. I used paper towels or something.
You're actually showing a lot of restraint by just eating half. That's the real takeaway
Last
here.
time
Not
you-
the germs. It's the fact that you're only eating half of the donut.
The last time I had a Krispy Kreme donut was probably about the last time I had a square hamburger at Wendy's, and I ordered them out of the window of my bus on the way to school. We had a great bus driver, and she was nice enough to stop and let us order donuts out of the
Really?
window.
You only eat half?
I ate about half the box. It was a
half
different
the
era.
box.
It was a different era, but now it's just half a donut.
Wow.